Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Some of viewers and subscribers, you know, so that video I sent to me today, you know what I mean? So at the time of doing this recording, it's Thursday, August the 24th, 2023 for people. And this video was sent to me and them said, NEWLINK, this recently happened somewhere in Jamaica. I never get the exact location and thing, my people, you know what I mean? But them say recently happened in Jamaica. And basically, my people, if you look closely, you can see the brother there, the blue, look like him have a knife in him or something, my people. Zine? And there's a police officer, my viewers and subscribers, there with him strapping him on. And this brother now, like him managed to feel say, him can attack this police, you know what I mean, with this knife while him have him strapping him on. So, look at this, my viewers and subscribers, because I don't know the thing at times being where people say this, people say that. But what you have to do, put yourself in the police, you know what I mean, situation right now. You being that police. This brother did that with a knife. And you can't see where him rush down on the police officer. Then you hear the Caan them beat, my people. And if you manage it, knock couple upon him, my people. Honestly, what you are going to do? You are going to stand up there with a strap in your hand, or you are going to just clap one in your ear and give him time for come down, or you are going to clap one in your foot. Well, my people, me never see exactly where you reach him, or what happened, or if him gone, or if him there hospital, or what go on, you know. But as when me can say, you being an officer out there, you know what I mean, and the front line duty, my people, deal with all type of people, all type of maniac and idiot people and crazy people, you understand? Honestly, and you meet up something like this, well, you have to protect yourself, you have to protect your life, you have to protect your 3 points when I talk about my people. You understand? So I would never blame this officer. Honestly, my people, I would never blame him. You have to do what you have to do. But see there, you know what I mean, this feel say him can't in a little blue shot and a little piece of hat on him head. Feel like him tough, feel like him bad and feel like him can't just. No, upon a real love my viewers and subscribers. So honestly, as I say, I don't blame the officer. You know what I mean? I don't blame him. I know a lot of people are going to say, boy, officer wicked, him should do that, this and that. But honestly, when me I go say, my people, all me did look on him and me say, what? Me hope say him not dead still. You know what I mean? Me can't stop, me hope him not dead. Me hope him get going, he not dead. But if him attack this police, honestly, with a knife, my people, when you attack a man, one juking you with that in your certain organs, you're gone. You know what I mean? So he might pray if you take your life and you protect yourself, and if he manage to lose fame life by trying to take yours, well, him cast it upon himself. Because when you are trying to protect yourself and you squeal out and you frightened because you shoot and whatever, you know what I mean? And you can't see. Why there's just some idiot people that walk around with people. Real fool, all type of demons. You know what I mean? And it just be this officer. It can't be anybody at all. It could have been me, it could have been you, it could have been a licensed firearm holder, same way. And something like this happen. You have to protect your life. You know what I mean, baby? Life's sweet. And I see something, me attack life's sweet. And you can't make people just come and feel like they can take it from you like that. No, them never give it to you, so they want to take it. Judge sees, Judge knows. So people, big up on yourself. More life, you know, more blessings. And thanks to the love, thanks to the support, my people. The like, the share, and every comment. As I'm telling you already, a one team, a one dream, and a one scheme. I'm going to say it over and over. Protect your 3 points, people. Protect your 3 points. And don't trust no one. Remember, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official, my people. Peace out. Blessings. Big up. Attack.